Stop making sense improv. Well, it's kind of funny because we can't laugh as much as they do. Yeah. I mean, it's funny about the songs of it. Yeah. But and I like when they go into the jacket, though.
What do they do in the jacket?
Well, they get in a jacket or somehow, and it doesn't rip it. And it's kind of weird because I just love it, and I'm about to laugh my head off.
People can pay to watch the llamas swim together.
Who are the people in the improv show?
Cornell.
Why was a teddy bear in the liquor cabinet? I did not want to know.
Adrian.
I love butter!
Paul Frisbee. Paul Frisbee.
Now, Sonny, we've got to pick these.
Watch your back, Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Here, let's straighten you up. Straighten you up.
Dirk Frisbee.
Oh my God, this is too fast for me. I can't keep up.
Frisbee. And John Arado.
Yes, we got 15 gallons of that stuff. Yeah, it's like the gift that keeps on giving, if you know what I mean.
I usually go with everyone, but just you and me.